Capital and revenue. Difference between capital and revenue. There is major difference between capital and revenue when it comes to accounting. It helps in making trading and profit and loss account of a business. The items that come under capital are displayed in balance sheet, whereas revenues of a business are shown in trading and profit and loss account. What is expenditure? An expenditure is the fund used by a business, organization to attain new assets or to improve the already existing assets or to fulfill a liability. These are the use of funds or resources for the day-to-day operations of a business, like giving salaries to the staff, payment of rent, etc. The benefit of expenditure can run for one accounting period or more. These are the expenditure whose benefits can extend up to one accounting period and expensed immediately. They are known as revenue expenditure. These are the expenses whose benefit can be attained for more than one accounting period and which are to be productive for a long period of time, known as capital expenditures. Difference between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Earning capacity of business. Capital expenditure helps to increase the earning capacity of a business, whereas revenue expenditure helps to maintain the earning capacity of a business. Purpose of expenditure. Capital expenditure is done to buy fixed assets for smooth operation of business, whereas revenue expenditure is done for the day-to-day operations of the business. Nature of expenditure. Revenue expenditure is recurring expenditure by nature, whereas capital expenditure is non-recurring by nature. Benefit extension. The benefit of capital expenditure extends more than one accounting year, whereas the benefit of revenue expenditure extends for one accounting year. Recording of expenditure. Capital expenditure is showed in balance sheet, whereas revenue expenditure is transferred to trading and profit and loss.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.